Nirali. I hope that you have gone through the chapter number 3. It's part 1. Now today we will begin our part 2 of the same chapter. So the topic is social life of the Harappan civilization, page number 13. The topic is social life of Harappan सिविलाइजेशन. इनकी सोशल लाइफ कैसी थी, अब आज हम उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सो लेट्स बिगिन. द मेन ऑक्यूपेशंस ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ द इंडस वैली वेर एग्रीकल्चर एंड लाइवस्टॉक रियरिंग. उनका जो मेन ऑक्यूपेशन था वो क्या था? एग्रीकल्चर एंड फार्मिंग. दिस वर द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द पीपल of the Indus Valley civilization. People of this time used to have the wheat, barley, millet, peas, sesame, date palms, etc. in their diet. So what the people used to eat in the ancient time of the Indus Valley civilization, they used to eat like wheat, barley, maize, date palms. These were the things they were eating in the ancient time, and they used to cultivate the same type of crops. Due to the pastoralism, means cattle rearing, their diet consisted of the milk and the milk products also. They also used to rear the cattle. वो cattle rearing भी करते थे. That means they used to obtain the products of the animals like milk. So हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि वो लोग milk products भी consume करते थे. A fish hook has been found in the remnants of the civilization. So their food must have included fish also. Even they also used to consume the fish in their diet. So हमने अब यहाँ पे क्या क्या पढ़ा कि they used to cultivate the crops like wheat, barley, maize, palms. They used to eat this kind of things, and they also used to obtain the products of animals like milk and eating the milk products. Then after हमने ये भी पढ़ा कि वो fish भी consume करते थे. We get information regarding the attire of the people of that time. Attire means the clothes. हमको ये भी मालूम पड़ता है कि what kind of clothes they were wearing during that time. On the basis of the sculpture found from the Indus Valley civilization, man and woman here wore two clothes. They wore clothes similar to dhoti on their vest, and in the upper part they wrapped a short cloth which came down from the shoulder. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोला कि मैन क्या पहनते थे? धोती पहनते थे, और टॉप पे दे यूज टू वियर द शॉर्ट क्लोथ लाइक वी कैन से कुर्ता दे यूज टू वियर. दे मेनली यूज द कॉटन क्लोथ्स. वो मोस्टली क्या पहनते थे? दे यूज टू वियर द कॉटन क्लोथ्स. दे वर ऑल्सो फैमिलियर विद द वुलन क्लोथ्स. हाँ, ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि दे ऑल्सो यूज टू वियर द वुलन क्लोथ्स अलॉन्ग विद द कॉटन वंस. एज द नीडल्स मेड ऑफ द मेटल एंड आइवरी. नीडल्स मतलब पिन. As needles made of the metal and ivory have been found, we can assume that they wore the stitch clothes. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे क्या पढ़ा कि the needles were also found from the civilization. ये civilization में से needles भी और ivory भी पाए गए हैं. That means हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि they used to wear the stitch clothes also. That means वो कपड़े clothes सिलवा कर पहनते थे. और तो most of the people wore unstitched clothes, and many people were there those that they wear unstitched clothes. People of this time wore ornaments like necklace, ring in the finger, hand bracelets were worn by the women as well as men. People of the ancient time, that means the people of this civilization. Which civilization? Indus Valley civilization. They also used to wear the ornaments. कौन से ornaments पहनते थे? Like bracelets, hand ring, necklace. These were the ornaments which were worn by the people. Women wore jewelry like bangles, earrings, waist belt, anklets, etc. Women किस तरीके की ज्वेलरी पहनते थे? Like anklets, earrings. This type of the jewelry the women of this civilization used to wear. These ornaments were made of the gold, silver, and the precious stones. जो उनके ornaments थे, जो उनकी ज्वेलरी थे, वो किससे बने थे? They were made of the gold, silver, and some precious stones. People of the Indus Valley civilization made utensils of the earthenware, copper, bronze, etc. Utensils मतलब बर्तन. तो what kind of utensils they were using? Of which metals? Like earthen, like that means clay, of clay, copper, bronze. So these were the utensils, these were the metals they used to have. This included utensils like mug, bowl, earthen mug, metallic pot, saucer, casserole, etc. They also used to have this kind of utensils. Along with this, people of the Indus Valley civilization made special type of toys for the children, which included the bird-shaped whistles, rattlers, carriages, cart, marbles, toys in the shape of birds, animals and men and women. यहाँ पे जितने भी आपको टॉयज के नाम, पीपल यूज टू ऑल्सो मेक द टॉयज भी बनाते थे फॉर द चिल्ड्रन. लाइक यहाँ पे नाम बहुत सारे नेम्स दिए गए हैं, जैसे कि विसल्स, बर्ड शेप विसल्स, द रैटलर्स, द मार्बल्स, टॉयज ऑफ मार्बल्स, एंड दे वर इन द शेप ऑफ द birds, in the shape of the animals, and even in the shape of the man and woman. The toys were made during that time. In a way, creativity and the artistry of these people is expressed in these toys. हमने यहाँ पे जितने भी एग्जाम्पल देखे, like what kind of clothes they were wearing, what kind of food they were eating, what kind of toys they were making with different style, and what kind of utensils they used to have. So we can say that जो artistic जो चीज थी वो भी बहुत पहले से चलती आ रही है. टॉयज लाइक हेड शेकिंग एनिमल्स एंड द मंकी क्लाइंबिंग ट्री वे सीन हियर. और दूसरे टॉयज भी यहाँ पे कौन से बोले हैं, शेकिंग एनिमल्स, हेड शेकिंग एनिमल्स एंड द मंकी ट्री. दिस वर द टॉयज विच वर वेरी फेमस. दे ऑल्सो यूज टू हैव दिस टाइप ऑफ टॉयज. Now the next topic is religious life and the funeral. Next topic is religious life and funeral. So let's start. We get information regarding the religious life of the Harappan civilization from the idols and the postures. हमको जो हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में जो उनकी धार्मिक लाइफ थी, रिलीजियस लाइफ, we also get the information about the same from where, from the idols and the postures. That means जो मूर्तियाँ वगैरह पाई गई है, we can get the information about this civilization. Among the idols excavated, the idol of the Matra Kadevi has been found. The idols of which Devi, which god? Matra Kadevi. The idol of the Matra Kadevi was found. Historians considered it the symbol of the Mother Earth. जो historians है, जो मतलब हिस्ट्री के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं, ये हमने पहले बहुत बार पढ़ा है. So the historians considered this Matra Kadevi as the symbol of the Mother Earth. It means the people of the Harappan civilization must have been worshipping the Mother Earth, especially as it gave the grains, that means food and water. इसका मतलब हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, जो हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन के जो पीपल थे, दे यूज टू वर्शिप, वो लोग भी वर्शिप मतलब रिलीजियस थिंग्स में बिलीव करते थे, एंड दे यूज टू वर्शिप दिस बिकॉज दे कंसिडर दिस एज अ मदर अर्थ. क्यों? क्योंकि जो मदर अर्थ है, जो अर्थ है हमको फूड एंड वाटर बोथ दे यूज टू, सॉरी द अर्थ यूज टू गिव अस. सो द हिस्टोरियंस बिलीव दैट द पीपल ऑफ द हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन used to worship the Matraka Devi, and they considered this as a Mother Earth. Why? Because Mother Earth is giving us the food and water. Besides this, they might have been worshipping the trees, animals, Nag Devta, Swastik, etc. इसके अलावा means Mother Earth के अलावा और वो किसको worship करते थे? The trees. They were worshipping the trees, animals, Nag Devta, that means to the snake, and swastik. Remains of worshipping fire have been found from the Lothal and the Kalibangan. That means जो remains है, जो remains जो पाए गए हैं for worshipping, they used to worship from the various sources. That means from which things they were worshipping, that things have been found. ऐसी चीजें हमको मिली गई है. कहाँ से मिली गई है? From Lothal and the Kalibangan. So from the things from which they used to worship, that things have been found from the Lothal and Kalibangan. Correct? People of the Harappan civilization might have been burning dead people. जो हिंदू धर्म का जो रिवाज है, द कल्चर ऑफ द हिंदू रिलीजन, what they are doing, they are burning the people after they are dead. So these things were also done during the Indus Valley civilization, that means Harappan civilization. Also evidences of the Agni Sanskar have been found at many places. जो किसी के डेथ के बाद जो अग्नि संस्कार किया जाता है इन द हिंदू रिलीजन, the evidences of this thing were also found. They buried dead person and kept also some of the things with the dead body. They also used to bury मतलब दफना देना, तो they also used to bury the dead people and they used to keep some things along with that dead body. It tells us about their imagination that there is life after death. तो ये हम बोल सकते हैं कि they also used to think that कि life डेथ के बाद भी लाइफ रहती है. Script and language. Next topic is script and language. Coins, seals, copper plates have been found from the remains of the Harappan civilization. The copper plates, the coins, these are the things which were also found from the Harappan civilization, over which some text is transcript, which is written in some unresolved mysterious language. इन copper plates के ऊपर, इन coins के ऊपर कुछ न कुछ यहाँ पर script लिखी हुई है. वो कौन सी लैंग्वेज में लिखी गई है that is not known, but some text or some inscription has been written on that. Although these writings are short words with matras and joined words are found, lot of attempts have been made to decipher this script, but it has not been successful yet. वो उस कॉपर प्लेट्स के ऊपर या फिर उस कॉइन्स के ऊपर क्या टेक्स्ट या फिर क्या स्क्रिप्ट लिखी गई है, that has been not known till today because it is written in very small text. But till today आज भी उसकी खोज जारी है to know like what has been written in that copper plates or in the coins or in the seal plates. So historians are trying to do their best that what script has been written. I hope that you have understood the part 2 of this chapter. Please go through the video twice. Thank you and have a nice day.